What the play is about is me buying a white painting.
Yes.
And I can't wait to show it off to my two best friends.
Yeah.
And their reaction is devastating.
Yes, it's not quite what you were after.
No.
And the amount of money you've spent on it as
That's the other thing.
is slightly baffling.
Had it been by Picasso, it would be worth something in the region of £44 million.
Yes.
Just ponder that for a minute.
Let's ponder that for a second.
Well, the play's called art,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes.
But it's not necessarily about art.
Not necessarily. One of its main themes is friendship and the bond that these three men have. It's a 25-year wonderful friendship.
Well, you mean men of a certain age?
Yes.
And they get tested to the limits.
Yes, they absolutely
the friendship.
do. Yeah.
And you hope it has the strength to see us through.
The reaction from the audience, as you said, is just amazing.
Yeah.
The amount of laughter you get, the emotional connection they make with this is just fantastic.
Yeah,
it's
they invest
really
a lot
rewarding.
in
They
that
really do.
relationship.
There's
Yeah,
a couple of
that's right.
times towards the end when Ivan is in terrible dire
State, yeah.
straits. They're laughing, and I can hear them thinking, should I be laughing?
Yes.
It's just extraordinary.
Yeah, they're
they
so
laugh and then
invested in
they
it.
feel sort of embarrassed by laughing. That's just amazing.
It's wonderful.
They're right with us the whole way
Yeah,
through.
that's right. Yes. What seems to me very, very nice is we developed a very quick rapport in rehearsals.
Yes.
And we're developing a very quick rapport off stage
Yeah.
and out and about.
And
which
we
is
are
lovely.
united by a martini.
We're united by a love of martinis.
Yeah.
That's true. Only after the show.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
must
yes,
stress
yes.
this.